90% of your business success comes from 2 skills alone. What are those 2 skills which are vital for your business? Let me tell you a story. 2018, I was really scared because I was about to start my business and I was worried, what if the business does not work? What if I'm not able to sell anything? What if I fail? Fast forward, within 1 year, I made 1 crore. Next year, I made 2.5 crores. 2020, we crossed about 16 crores in revenue. Now, why am I sharing this with you? I'm sharing this with you is because do you think any coaching or any mentoring business that you start, is this the typical curve? 1 crore, 2.5 crores, 16 crores? Answer is absolutely not. There are hundreds and thousands of people who are in coaching and mentoring business, who are in self-development. They're still not made their first million. And here's the reason why. Because they don't understand that 90% of the success in business comes from these 2 vital skills. Which are those 2 vital skills? Number 1, marketing. If you're not able to market yourself, if you're not able to promote yourself, guess what? You will not have more leads. And if you don't have leads, what's going to happen? You do not have more sales. And if you don't have sales, you will shut down your business. No matter how wonderful your product is, it's an exceptional product that will be sold without marketing it. It was only exceptional, but let's accept the fact that not every product is exceptional that will spread word of mouth. So that means you have to learn how to market yourself. Now, whether you're in a job or you're looking to start a business or you're already an entrepreneur, your ability to market yourself is one of the most crucial ability that will take your business to the next level. And second is your ability to sell and close. You see, I spent about 6.5 lakh rupees just on learning how to close. And I spent about 2 or 3 lakh rupees on how to sell, right? The B2B, B2C, B2C. Now, yes, I come from a sales background. I was in sales for more than 13 years, so it was definitely some advantage that I had, but I had to still learn B2C. B2B was my genre. I sold a lot of solutions, a lot of technology products and project management and softwares. But when I got into my business, it was B2C, completely B2C. How did I succeed when there were so many coaches and trainers already? It is because I learned the art of marketing and I learned the art of selling. Now let me ask you this. How much of time and money have you spent in learning sales and marketing? If the answer is very little, then I have a second question. Look at your bank account. Is there a correlation? If you're struggling with your finances in terms of your revenue, the chances are you have not paid attention to marketing and selling. And that is what I recommend to all my mentees to start learning right from the day one. Even before you build your product, you need to learn how to market it, right? And sell it, and then you go and build it. That's the Guru Mantra. So you sell it and then you build it. That's the 21st century mantra I can give you. Now, if you're somebody who's looking to learn, Dave, how do I improve my sales? I've done events. Within 3 days, we converted revenue worth 5 crores. And that makes us one of the biggest event running companies, event conversion companies, in self-development. How did we do that? Within short 3 years. And 80% of my revenue came from platform closing. Only 20% came from one-on-one, which is not me. My team is closing one-on-one. If you want to learn those secrets, I have a good news for you. I'm doing a masterclass on how you can learn the platform closing and how you can master one-on-one closing, because it's a different art. If you're really serious, check out the link in description or connect with us with the contact details given in the description, and we will help you to master those 2 skills, which will take your business to the next level, because 90% of your business success depends on these 2 skills. This is Dave Gadhvi. I will see you in the masterclass. Take care and God bless you.